We will make pasta from scratch in the next set of basic techniques that we'll make in the future. But now we'll learn how to properly cook dry pasta, as most of you prefer to buy from your local store. And let's face it, it's much easier, even if the freshly made ones are a lot better. Good pasta don't stick to each other while boiling. Buy grano duro or whole grain flour pasta and cook it in a lot of boiling, salted water. Adding oil to the boiling water for pasta is useless and, in my opinion, a wrong practice. If you start on cold water, pasta will soak and absorb too much before the water is boiling. Salt is mainly for taste, but sometimes really good pasta is tasty from the very beginning. Pot of salted boiling water, pasta in, and cook for as long as it says on the pack. Keep tasting, keep trying until they are al dente. They have to be just a bit firm in the middle. Turn the heat down and simmer them because you have to be in control. Now let's flavor the oil for a very simple yet extremely delicious and famous dish of pasta, aglio, olio e peperoncino. We have about 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 dents of garlic, and remember what we talked about when we made our stock, our vegetable stock. The germ, the garlic, the sprout inside is not good for your health. Crush them. And roughly chop them. What else do we have here? Half a chili pepper, deseeded, deveined, and nicely chopped. It depends on your taste, how hot you want it. That would be enough. So, start on a cold pan because you want to infuse slowly the oil and give it flavor that will be transferred to the pasta at the end. When pasta is cooked, just strain it off the warm water. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. It kept the shape and the color is absolutely great. Now let's flavor the oil. Just bring a little heat to the pan and keep stirring. Allow the garlic and the chili pepper to release aroma. Don't heat it too much because otherwise you will fry your pasta. At the same time, whenever you make pasta, try not to keep it too long before you mix it with the sauce. I know restaurants that store their boiled pasta for days in their fridges just because they boiled too much or they're too lazy to do it every day. And here we are, pasta into the pan. From this moment on, it's just a piece of cake. Just keep tossing the pasta and covering it with the beautiful and tasteful oil. Just keep it moving so that it doesn't fry and allow all the ingredients to coat the pasta in a very nice way. In the end, it doesn't have to be too oily because a lot of oil at the bottom of the plate in a restaurant that serves pasta is not a good sign. If you think it's somehow too dry, just add a bit of the water that you used to boil the pasta and add it to the pan. It helps the oil, the garlic and the chili pepper to refresh and enter into the dish a lot better, a lot easier. If you're not 100% happy with the yellowish color of the pasta and the red from the chili pepper, close to the end, just add a bit of parsley, nicely chopped, finely chopped parsley, and give a bit of green to this beautifully, beautiful plate. If for any reason you decide not to put Parmesan, Olio, Aglio, Olio, peperoncino, now it would be a good moment to add a bit of salt. I will use the Parmigiano because it's packed with flavor and it contains natural umami. Get yourself a fine grater And now it's time for a bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Beautiful texture, great flavor. And that's about it. Once again, a lot of boiling water, of salted boiling water. Keep an eye on the clock and keep tasting your pasta, as you don't want it to overboil. And try to have the sauce ready just when the pasta is ready. It's good practice. Keep practicing. You'll be as fast as you want in a very short time.